Trash, we have twins. I mean, I doubt we've ever had twins. No. We haven't. It's the first time. So I'm excited. They are in white. I have Elisha and Elijah. Oh, so Mama, you're very short, but let me just tiptoe and see how it goes. But how are you doing, Elijah?
Elisha, I'm good.
Hey, I'm confused though. That's Elisha. Elisha, how are you doing?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good too. You're here on Date Rush. What do? You look like a model.
Yes, I am a model. And I'm a chef too.
Oh, you can cook?
Yes, I do.
I said, I'm a chef, you. But I mean, your love lives, you too. No, has there ever been any issues? I mean, catch me. Tell me the truth.
No. When it's come to my twin and I, we don't argue about girls because one, we don't let girls come in between us. We don't do that. If you do. If you are a girl, you try to just clear it off, like, because that's my brother and he's my brother. So yeah, that's it.
Blood is thicker. I guess it's not to you, Elijah. Are you also a model and a chef?
Yeah.
So you two decided to do the same things?
Yeah, we two decided to model because we already have the features. So, and we decided to open an eatery. So we own an eatery called Elite Eatery.
Oh wow, that's impressive. So when I come, you guys to serve me, Charlie, I need to check your place out. Whose idea was it to come here? Because you do everything together. No, I said you decided together.
Yeah, I guess.
Now let's talk about Date Rush. You two are here, and for the very first time, you twins are going to be on the stage. That's history in the making. How's the feeling like? How excited are you?
I feel calm because it's my first time being on this show. And I just hope for the best, actually. Yeah.
I like the vim. Now, I want to give you something. Because we are twins, it's the first time we're having twins. I want to be very, very nice. You know something? Ep9 wants me to give you some cool cash. So, guys, I'll ask you a very, very, very simple question. The question is very simple. Question, answer, answer, no around. How do you say yeah? So, when I say Ep9, what do you say? Ep9, me can't. I'm tagline here. Oh, darling, I'm giving you 100 cities. I'm giving you 100 cities. You know, even if you don't get a date, Crampa, you've gotten 100 cities. But you get a date. So, guys, let's go. Let's go and have fun.
Vitamins, ginseng, taurine, inositol.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Date Rush. Date Rush, everyone. Hey, ladies, where from this energy? You see what I'm bringing, or you are thinking about it. So I've got a package for you guys. I said I've never done this on the show before, but guess what? I need a replacement for Wilma, and that's in Benedicta. You all know her. Please, let's do that for Benedicta! Go. That's right. Go, that's
This year, we know how to play. See this year.
That's right, bring it out. Welcome, Benedicta. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good to have you back. This time, Ebefa.
Yes, please.
We are sure.
Yes.
We are sure, Ebefa.
Yes.
You see the squad today? You see the squad today, you know?
I've seen it.
See, if there was any episode that I was I'm even scared for you. You see this squad today? This squad today.
Maybe I'll free all the call back. Giovanni.
They not come to play. I'm gonna watch your lyrics.
When I see them.
Yeah, but I'm not worried.
Yeah, I'm not scared.
All right, let's talk about red flags for you in a relationship. Okay. Red flags. What are those?
Okay, so for me, I don't like a guy that always wants to be overprotective. Yes.
Yeah, always in your case.
Yes, I want to be.
Or on your case. Yes, and farm out.
Yeah.
All right. So guess what? I've got this time I don't even want to say it. But ladies and gentlemen, watch this profile video very, very well. I'm sure all those who predicted for people going on a date tonight, I should say today, you will miss the odds. Check out the profile video of my first pair of twins on this show?
I'm Elijah Otu.
I'm Elisha Otu, and I'm a twin.
I'm a model. I own a restaurant with my twin brother.
We own an eatery, and I'm also a sports guy. I play basketball, I play soccer, and I do track games. And we also own a modeling agency.
I like going out. I like having fun. I like watching football, action movies, and I like making friends.
I like to be real, and I don't like lazy people because I like to work hard. I like having fun a lot. Training, working out, always cooking, and I like helping people.
I dislike cheats, dishonest people, disloyal people. I dislike bush meat also.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, for the very first time on this show, give it up for Elijah and Elisha. Hey, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, aha, 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 aha. That's right. Aha. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's because the party don't scatter. Children now them celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight. Come on. Celebrate tonight. Come on. All right. Celebrate tonight. Make my girls. Make my girls. Come on. Celebrate. 1 year wonder. Ladies. Ladies. Ladies, if you don't talk to me right now, I will let them go back. Talk to me already. Come on. I know market. Give to anybody. Go ahead. Hello.
Giovanni, I want to start. Giovanni.
What do you want to say?
Giovanni.
Huh?
Giovanni.
Huh?
Giovanni.
Giovanni.
Say
Say please.
Yeah, Giovanni.
Say please.
Please, Giovanni.
Yes.
I'm in love.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, you girls are rational.
Okay, all right. All right. Let me start from Ellen.
They are the epitome of tall, dark, and handsome.
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Yes.
Epitome. All right.
Giovanni. I want to let them know that, you see, I'm into clothing. They are not going to buy clothes again. Whether jeans, the shoes, anything, they are not going to buy again now. And also, Giovanni,
all right.
I also love cooking very much. Okay, I love cooking.
If you can cook, I can also cook. So what are you saying?
Okay, they are not hungry.
I said I love cooking. They said they love
not
cooking. I also love
hungry.
cooking.
They are not hungry. They will eat again.
Giovanni.
They fast.
Giovanni. Kopem samete waka wamakumemu mihameni yasi yodo miyamshemepa.
Are we here to sing?
See, Giovanni, please.
Here to sing?
With just 3 lyrics for them. I'm not leaving them today.
Wait, how many are you taking at a time?
I'm taking one. Penny.
So use him and them.
No, I like Penny. Madam, I am a choice.
How did you just know the difference? Now you want
It's make her Penny.
Sister,
One calm
down.
No, babes, one eye.
Let them
Why are you
talk.
rushing?
Okay, guys.
Giovanni,
Yes.
I saw them in my dream yesterday.
Oh, boy.
And God told me that the violence shall take it by force. So I'm taking one by force, whether you like it or not.
Christabel.
Giovanni.
Wait, so Christabel.
But
That's a heartbreak from before.
should I tell all the people that are short can off
Their
their
rashes.
rashes?
Chacha, let me tell you.
Okay.
Chacha.
All right, hold on.
Normally, guy with this height, he's supposed to go with someone who is cute like me. You get it?
Okay.
It's not
Wait, what are you saying?
It's true.
I saying I'm not cute. Or
No,
what?
no. I don't want to use the word short.
No, please.
I don't want to use the word short.
Ladies, hold your horses. Whilst holding it, carry your libidos. Yeah? Hold all of them. Guys, welcome to the show. Give me energy. So who is Elijah? Who is Elisha?
I'm Elisha.
Okay.
And I'm Elijah.
All right. I was going to ask a very stupid question. How old are you? And how old are you? But you're twins. That's why it's a very stupid question. So let's go. Ladies, you've seen the very first profile video. All this, this height for grabs. This is it. It is not happening. All right. For the second time, decision time.
Hey, fine boy. Yeah, you really sharp.
All right. Guys, what do you make of this already? This is a sight to behold.
This is nice.
Do you have the same taste in women? I've always wondered. Twins.
It depends.
Yeah. What's your kind of lady?
They're all my type.
They are all your type. Same for you?
Yeah, like that.
They are all your type.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. This is going to be a very difficult one. So, ladies, Benedicta, are you there? Yeah, okay.
But I'm here.
She said, I wasn't lying when I said the competition tonight will be tight. All right. So, ladies, we have 2 more profile videos, like we always do. So, let's go for the second video now.
In my previous relationship, I would say it was insecurity and lack of communication. So, as a model, I work with a lot of females, and she was insecure about that. She didn't like the way I get contracts from females. So she said she wasn't okay with it. So it's either I stop or we should give ourselves some time to figure things out. So it's a week, 2, 3, a month came by, and I contacted her again. She told me she can't no more, so we should just break up.
Okay, so what happened in my previous relationship? I was there one day with my sports guys. We were training, and we had a rumor that my girlfriend was dating one of my sports colleagues, right? So I didn't believe that. So we had a proof of pictures and chats. So I just decided to focus on my dreams. So that's what happened.
I like beautiful women, but I'm not the fair lady type. I like girls with curves, loyal people, girls who respect, who look presentable outside.
I do like beautiful people, fashionable, sexy, and I don't like slim people. No, you should have a thick body with a curvy shapes.
Ladies, you heard them. I don't like, I don't like, I don't like, I don't like, No, I don't even know which of them is not liking. When I see twins, I see one person with a shadow. That's how I do it. Or reflection in the mirror. We'll decide right after the break. Please stay on.
What did they do me? I don't know.
All right, welcome back to Dangerous, where we believe that everyone deserves what? Love. And before the break, we had the ladies watch the second video, or 2 videos from a gentleman. The first time we have twins on the show. Yeah, Elijah and Elisha. All right, very, very short, guys. Ladies, if you've got questions, this is the time. If not, we decide.
Joe, who said he doesn't like a fair lady? Who said that?
Hey, madam, wait, hold on. Now you are sounding like a class teacher.
No, Joe, I already have my eye on one, so I really want to know who said that.
Ignore it.
Okay. Explain yourself.
Ignore it.
Okay, you said they don't mind, so ignore it.
No, I can't. I can't really ignore. For someone to put this on a profile that means a lot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I just want to differentiate two of you. Who said that? Because I already have my eye on one of you.
I did.
Which one do you love? So that we will differentiate. So that we will differentiate for what? Eh?
I said it.
Don't mind her.
Do I have to tell you?
Yes, I have to know because you want the difference.
Are you the one?
No.
Are you the one?
Yes.
My dear,
you said that.
Yeah.
So what about if the one you are choosing is mine?
Chacha, relax.
No, don't decide yet. Gifty, come back on. Don't decide yet. So what happens is that me pacho madam, hey, we both for the anyo. Yeah, gift you dende, gift you dende, come gift you dende, gift you dende, gift you dende, gift you dende.
Jojo.
All right, so she's back on. No, so this is the thing. Let them clarify if you're not too happy what you've heard in there. We give them the chance to explain further for you. All right, please.
Okay,
Let's
so
be fair to them.
I would like to hear what
All right.
he wants to say.
Okay, so the thing is, I said it, I admit, but as time went on, my mind changed, so.
That's right. All right. Okay, next. No questions. Decision time. Some of you are doing on and off. Some of you are doing rush on, rush off. More you're confused, them confused, All right, Benedicta. Once people are deciding on and off, why yes? You do like you know the yourself. It's like meh. And kamataba. Yorinta.
Giovanni.
You like what you see, eh?
Yes.
Just the height you mentioned.
Everything cool.
The complexion you mentioned.
I like them.
The smile. You like them.
Yes.
You
So
want to
any
take the
of
two
them.
of them. Oh, rejoice. Have you fully recovered from your previous outbreak on the show?
Because I've seen something new
And better.
and better.
I guess. All right. Ellen, you went off, came back on under 1 second.
Yeah, I was watching Gifty, so if Gifty goes off,
You come
I
on.
come on.
What do you be your plans?
Yeah.
Yo. Marjorie.
Joe.
Yes.
These guys are to excuse my word. Like, I say, it won't be a bomb with the worst gift he's giving them. So I say it to be cheap for me. I don't want to deal with such guys. Yeah.
All right. Nana Yabua, why are you off?
Jojo.
Yeah.
So please, one was like, he works with females, something. I think I didn't hear
Yeah, they're
that
models.
part. Yes. So you work with females.
Models.
What do you do with the females?
Models.
Model with what? Because I'm a very jealous type.
Just work, so.
Work as in, like how?
Work, just work.
Well, Giovanni, I'm a very jealous type. And with the bushmeat, one was like, he doesn't like bushmeat, right? But I'm a real crantier, but with what they said, like, I'm a very jealous type, simple.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Adiapena, you want to come in?
Now, bushmeat, they're jealous if I hobby. Bushmeat. Can you imagine that? Don't mind her, okay? I'm here.
Bushmeat jealousy. Yo, Yate. Gifty, do you want to say something or you've already free your mind?
We're doomed now.
I just wish I can forgive him and put on my lights. But...
Hey, all right.
If you try that mistake.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we have this, the other video, all right? We have your third and your final video. After that, the ladies get to decide. Anything can happen on this show, trust me. So hold your horses. Let's go for that third and final video now.
So in the next 5 years, as a model and a young guy who owns a restaurant, I see myself to be one of the biggest models locally and internationally. And I pray and see my business to go far, to be recognized by big people.
Where I see myself in the next 5 years is achieve my dreams, train hard in my sports and come back from my injury. Make sure my food business goes on for people to know worldwide. I see top artists, musicians, and all that coming to eat at my restaurant. Yeah, I want my team and I to go to places to help the kids. Since we are able to cook, we are chefs, feed the kids free without paying nothing. I'm Elijah. Meet my brother Elisha. Date rush, everyone deserves love.
Okay, so guys, listen, one of you know they like talk. Wow. You've not spoken since you've been on the show.
Because you've not argued the question.
I thought when I asked for twins, they said reflection to me about. But anyway, so when I wear bad boy, no. Because at least one of you would be that guy who is always in trouble when you're growing up.
You're always in trouble.
You're always. The two of you be together. We are collabo. Okay, all right. You see the third and final video. Ladies, decision time. All right, next rush. Marjorie, you're back. You are back.
Yeah.
Why?
The height alone is convincing me, you know.
The height, eh?
Yeah, my
like
children will. Yeah, I love tall guys. You said it like
Yeah.
I love. Yeah, that thing.
I did. Hey, yo. Acha, you're not going anywhere. You day here. What you know?
Sir.
Adi pena.
Jinema see next year.
Yeah. Hey, Christopher. You've not spoken today, oh.
Yes, so.
Strategy, Anna.
Dabi.
Maybe I'm fat. All right. Oh, Ellen. Because of the age.
They look too strict. I don't know. But...
How? My head teacher vibe.
Okay, wait. How?
Sorry?
How?
Yeah. I look too strict. How?
Eh?
You said I look too strict.
Yeah.
How? I don't get it.
How as in everything?
Everything as in what?
You look straight, especially at you.
Okay. All right, guys. So you're in luck. At least you have. Wait. Is there a rash you want to be on that is off? Hello, sir. Talk to me. Well, the two of you. Talk to me.
No.
Is there a rash off that you want on?
For me, I don't want any rush.
Okay. And you, sir?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're okay with what you have now. All right. So we've never done this on the show before. We have 6 rashes on right now. I'm going to call you to take turns. So one will come, put off the rash of one. The other will come and do same. We leave 4. You ask questions based on the answer. You come and do 1-1. Say yeah. 1-1. Say yeah. And then we get down to. Is that it? All right. Okay. So do you get it? Any questions? So you come up 1 for me. Let's go. 1. Let's go. Go. No, you do it again. I count 5. So one person. Decide, and then you take 1 off for me. The 2 of you decide who comes and represents you. So 1 for represent you all. All right, guys? Let's do that. This is interesting. Yeah. Marjorie, are you okay? Are you fine? You're sure? All right. Faculty, let's do this. All right. So right now we've got Rejoice on. Benedictus Rush is on. Ep9 and Chacha 2-2. That's the NSMQ. NSMQ. Ladies, It not be joke matter. All right, guys, I'm sure you've got questions for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, Laurentia?
Okay, so I want to ask you guys. So you don't want free clothes and shoes?
No, they want nakedness. They want to go back to the Garden of Eden. They want to go back to the Garden of Eden.
I can cook very well. I love cooking.
They will fast.
I know.
They will fast. Marjorie, they don't even like kinky. They don't like kinky.
But Giovanni, I want to say something.
Okay.
This particular guy, Kakrana, like, why?
He's connected to someone.
It's true.
So sorry.
What?
You told this girl, like, relax.
Which girl? Which girl?
The one in the corner.
In the corner.
Okay, it's okay. All right. Yeah. So Elijah, I'm sure you've got questions for my ladies. I've got 2 of them at each side. Question time. Based on the answers they give, though, you can come and take your bay away. All right?
Sure.
So who goes?
Me, huh?
All right. Are you asking one question for your brother, or
No.
you have your own question?
I have a question.
You have your own question?
Yeah, I have a question.
All right, great. Let's go.
Okay, so I just want to ask, what do you want from a guy? What type of guy do you want?
Guy specs, like your spec.
Yeah.
You know that, okay? What do you want from a guy? All right. Let's go. All 4 of them.
Okay,
all
I want
4 of
to.
them.
I don't know.
I want to answer him.
Okay.
With me, I'm sapiosexual. I'm attracted to intelligence. I want guys who are very smart. And most of all, you should be intelligent and God-fearing. When you are God-fearing, you easily give, so everything is together.
Next. Cha-cha.
Jojo.
Yeah. Let's go. Yanko, come forward. Yanko.
Whatever they say here, I'm okay. I don't have problem with anything.
What do you want in a guy?
What I want is what they have. Yes.
All right. Benedicta.
Okay, Giovanni.
Yeah.
A guy who can, like, I'm okay with everything. Like, they are cool, they are nice.
Hey, isn't that today you're not talking crown? You are okay with, even if they fall down, oh, that's how I like it. If they kneel down, oh, wow. Benedicta, talk to me. Okay, rejoice.
Giovanni.
Yes.
I'm sapiosexual too. Secondly, I just want someone to support my dreams, not financially, but I see myself to be a very smart and intelligent lady. So I need someone that I can come to and be like, oh, babe, I want to do this. What do you think about it? And he would have something tangible to tell me. I'm good.
Okay. That's okay. So we're going to do this, all right? I want you to put the rash. Both of you are going to come dancing. Both of you. You put 2 rashes off. So I'll give you 5 seconds to whisper among yourselves that, hey, Uko Hamen saw it, Uko Ha saw it. You know, the 2 of you do your thing. And then when you come, you can put on or off rashes and leave your 2 on. The 2 bay, the 2 people you really want to go out on a date with. So know what your brother wants. Also, yeah, same way. Let's do it that way. All right, guys watching us from home, you have 5 seconds to predict who gets taken on a date here tonight. HL Tigger is watching, Russian Agent is watching. Randomly, we'll be selecting you, reward you. You go see no then HL Tigger cash, ping, 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 ping. Say So please download the TV3 reality app now or dial *713 *14#. All right? All right, let's go.
Blessings, not be today. You don't care where we start the hustle. You know, say no pain. Now, Babaji pay. No bread, no day, don't mess with my hustle. You know, say no pain.
Okay.
Now, Babaji pay. No bread, no day, don't mess with my hustle. Everybody help me sing them loud.
Take your dates. I'm gonna miss them. Hey, so like joke, nobody knows the word. It's around there. The thing has entered you well. Helen, it has entered you Where? I said, Uncle Shianimoko, I'll grow into toes.
Ashimi, I am a kono.
Oh,
Giovanni.
Fuck all night.
Giovanni.
Yes? Yeah, yeah.
Giovanni.
Oh, what are you there? Yeah, the best book. You were so sure.
I tried everything.
To the crowd, you didn't shout.
Oh.
Bokose.
Anyway.
You wish them well, eh?
Comment section. Giovanni.
Yes.
Boys nangaza omu chantro. Yes, because Omuka said they don't like fair ladies.
Giovanni.
Yes.
So it's all my Bible quotation.
Oh, I did now. Yeah, next time you should join 316
They don't want fair, women, but they end up carrying.
Gift, you said it too.
Giovanni.
Yes.
I think one of them has to bring back the girls because I don't know. It's one of them dark in complexion because I'm confused.
They don't like fair girls, but that's what they took. Men. Men.
What an episode it has been. I mean, I think this is so far one of my very, very favorite episodes. I have lots of them, but this is one of my favorites. And Elisha and Elijah, they are back. Their hands are full. Double. Everything, na double. Hey, na double. I'm having twins, I tell you. Elisha, how was the experience like? Now, I didn't know you people can dance like that too.
We tried.
This one's not trying. You know how to do that thing. Stop it.
Okay, so we had fun. We danced according to the music. So it was a good song that came out. So the DJ was good to bring out a nice song.
But before I get into the surprises I have for you and all the goodies, how difficult was it choosing? Did you guys agree at any point saying that, okay, I'm going for this, you go for this person, or what? How was it?
Oh, actually, I already told him I'm going for Benedicta.
And he agreed?
Yeah.
So guys, I have something for you from HD Plus. Give me a second. I'll be back. That's it. Yeah, 1 second, Penna. You're all loved up. Nice one. So this is for you from Geisha, African Strength, and this is from HD Plus, the Feely experience. Congratulations, guys. Your hands are very, very full. See, I'm going to take you some walk. No, head, the twin walk. Take a walk. Let's go.
Anywhere on this earth is something I would love to do, and I can't just wait for such beautiful moments.
I could travel to an unknown destination with him because I believe in him and I have a level of trust for him. So therefore, I could take him far. And I believe he's going to take good care of me, so it's fine.
I don't only see a future, I see something extraordinary. I see us making a difference.
I see a future because before I go out on a date, my astrology and horoscope connections should be clear to me, and I think seeing things from afar, it's very clear, so I see a future with him. He was the one I wanted because he has the personalities that I'm looking for. He's vibrant, loving. Some person is just the definition for satisfaction.
If things doesn't work out for us, I would just say it's God's will.
Honestly speaking, if this does not work, it wouldn't come from me. It would come from him because I see a future in this.
I really admire and I really love to make this thing work. I really want to build a very strong relationship with her.
I would always be there for you. Whenever you are down, physically, spiritually, emotionally, everything, I want you to know that there's a shoulder to lean on. I'm here for you. Take my word. And I believe we'll go far. I just want to say I love you.
Baby, now if you need me, call me, I'm a phone. I promise you that I will never leave you alone.
Charlie, we need to rebound here. Movement in the like everything is going on well, you understand?
It's going on pretty well and cool between Tushio and I.
Since I pick her there, Charlie, you know, everything's on is normal level. No, you understand? The vibe and everything about her, I like it.
He makes me laugh a lot. We have very good conversations, yeah.
All I want is you. I need you, baby. See me now, skid it, bang, bang. All I want is you.
Yeah, definitely, I'm happy. Because, you know, there's not only Lil Brown was there are plenty ladies there. And I just choose Lil Brown. It means that I like her, I feel her, you know, everything about her is.
I'm happy, I was happy because he had choices, at least 2 choices, and he still knew who to choose. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that.
I can go everywhere with her because she's my wife.
Yeah, why not? He's full of fun, jokes, happiness. So yeah, we are good to go.
So far as I choose her, I love her.
I like him. Let me say that. Love is a gradual process, so time will tell.
Baby, I'm calling me for hear me now. Baby, I'm singing it for hear me now. Baby, I'm calling you for hear me now.
Yeah, I see a future in this relationship because things are going on smoothly, so I'm just hoping for the best, yeah.
Oh, if it doesn't work to me, there is no problem because I'm a man. So far as I'm a man, anything happen to me there, I have to stand on it. So as for that one there, don't make it a big deal to you, you understand? I'll hold it for myself.
You can wish, but not every wish comes to pass. So even if things don't work out, I feel like we can still be friends. Yeah, because we are cool together.
I like sleeping too much. You should wake up early.
Final words to him, keep being you, the funny, great, fun guy that you are. Keep it up.
Welcome back. Dates Rush! Are you loving the energy this season?